The switch thinking canvas is a way to create amazing ideas. You can type your ideas in, you can save and share it with your team, or you can print it off and just play with it. In the canvas, there are 6 switches. These are challenge, perspective, outcome, questions, focus, and rules. You can use some of them or all of them. It's up to you. There are also a number of prompts for each switch. These are suggestions only to help you get started. For example, you can select the perspective switch and the prompt might be, what's a customer or a startup perspective? In the switch thinking canvas, there are 5 steps. In step 1, you outline the challenge. In step 2, you select a switch and start creating. You could also select another switch and see what other new ideas emerge. In step 3, you start connecting your ideas so you can create an even bigger solution. In step 4, you select your best ideas. And finally, in step 5, you test the best one easily, quickly and simply. You can use any one of these steps, or you can use all of them. It's up to you. Anywhere, anytime, with anyone.